Hi folks, so today we have the Bolle Nevada Neos and I'm just going to be showing you how to change the lenses on these goggles. It's really easy to do. So here we have the goggles, as you can see here, in pristine condition, completely brand new with the tag still on it. And you have to open up this latch here, this little eye latch. You might just have to use a little bit of force to pop it off, as you can see. That will give you the right to take off these lenses by pushing on the back side here. It's really, really easy. As you can see, you take those off. You grab your new lenses, which I have here, as you can see, and you just have to clip them in and the magnets will do the rest. And that's it. And then you just have to push this eye latch down. Again, you need to clip it in, as you can see, and that will secure them. And that is pretty much it.